DEUTZ Corporation is the world's first engine manufacturer. We were founded in 1864 by Nicholas August Otto and Eugene Landgren. Other famous names with our company was Robert Bosch, Ettore Bugatti, Rudolf Diesel, the inventor of diesel fuel. We produce industrial engines for a variety of equipment, including air compressors and other bulldozers and hydraulic pumps, water pumps, things like that. DEUTZ uses compressed air mostly for hand tools, impacts, technicians using tools to take things apart very quickly. We use compressed air to blow off our engines as we're working on them. We use compressed air with our steam cleaner, make sure that everything's doctor clean as we're putting engines back together. The bead blaster, we use compressed air for the bead blaster, which only puts our compressor under about a 30% load. I'm pretty happy with that. It's quiet. I mean, the bead blaster's 100 times louder than the air compressor is. In fact, the air compressor's running right now and you can't even hear it. I was recommended by my grandfather owns a steel company, and they used Fluid-Aire Dynamics when they moved from one building to the next, and he gave me Fluid-Aire Dynamics business card, and they were the first on the show. I believe Fluid-Aire emailed me within a day. First of all, I was looking for something quiet. Our building has got high ceilings and it's very loud. The second thing was I was looking for something air piping wise that would be presentable. Fluid-Aire Dynamics set us up with Teseo air pipes, which are just about as shiny as they come. Very quick to install. The technician that came piped our whole building in less than a day by himself with minimal tools, and was able to basically just measure, cut, install. The variable speed drive air compressor helps us. We actually don't have any regulators on our equipment in the building. When a technician's using an impact that's rated for 90 psi, I turn the compressor down to 90. When we were using the bead blaster, just walk up to the compressor, bump it up to 105. It holds the pressure right at the bead blaster at 105 pounds. I don't require any regulators, anything like that. It does save me time and money, to be honest with you. When the air compressor was first delivered, it ran great. Within the first week, we had a code, and I called up in the morning, and a technician was dispatched within 2 hours at my doorstep. Indeed, we had a building supply power problem, and now we don't have a problem with the air compressor. What I'd like to point out, though, is that response time. Just like that. I had a problem, I needed the air compressor, Fluid-Aire was here within 2 hours of my phone call. That's hard to come by.